everyone! Today I'm finally sharing with you how to make mie goreng or Indonesian fried noodles. Mie goreng is one of favorite dishes in Indonesia. Popular in Malaysia and Singapore too. Like most Indonesian foods, this is flavorful and spicy dish. You may make mie goreng as hot or mild as you like by adding more or less chili. It's a really simple dish and easy to make. Let's get started. Ingredients we need are egg noodles, onions, sambal or chili paste, fresh shallots, grated ginger, garlic, candle nuts, oil, sugar, chicken powder, salt, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, Kecap Manis or sweet soy sauce, oyster sauce, white pepper, For the vegetables, I use parsley, spring onions, chives, bok choy, cabbage, carrots, and bean sprout. We grind the garlic and candle nuts into paste. The oil in a wok over high heat and add the chicken strips, until the chicken no longer pink, about 5 minutes. Add the chopped onion, grated ginger, stir, garlic and candle nut paste, stir until the onions translucent. Add some sugar, white pepper, chicken powder, I like to transfer all the mixture into the biggest skillet. Add the noodles. Add Kecap Manis, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce. And mix well. Bring the mixture to a simmer. Add all the vegetables, cabbage, bok choy. Mix well. Cook for a few minutes. Add the rest of the vegetables, carrots, bean sprout, fried shallots, spring onions, chive, and celery. Stir everything together until combined or until the noodles are cooked through. Let me try. Yes, it's delicious. And Mie Goreng ready to serve.